before that. I think it's USC versus Adamson at 2 p.m. Also here at the Araneta Coliseum. So topsy-turvy Thursday afternoon here in the UAAP Season 66. J.R. Reyes extending the lead back to 7 points here for UP. Cardona will bring it up, but UP is looking good. Mac Cardona, spin move. The hook doesn't go, and Ibanez gets the rebound. And the UP Fighting Maroons have pulled off the upset against the Green Archers. They've broken the 12-game streak, and Marvin Cruz hits the shot as time expired. And that counts. The 3-pointer to get us 16 points here. And the ball game to extend the lead to 10 points. And Coach Tito Vergara gets the upset, gets his second win of his coaching career here in the seniors division. Here's Marvin Cruz. This is about 70 or 60 feet out. Cruz just heaves it up. And this is the kind of ball game for the UP Fighting Maroons as they get the extra 3-pointer at the end there to extend the lead to 10 points. So UP now has 2 wins and 8 losses in 10 games. And J.R. Reyes, 14 points, 8 rebounds, 2 assists, almost a double-double. He is our Milo Energy player of the game. And Coach Ryan Gregorio, you're from UP. What do you have to say?
Well, it's upset Thursday, so Ateneo bowing down to NU, LaSalle bowing down to UP, but for UP, the 12-game streak is over. Nabawi na nila, so this is a big one for Coach Tito Vergara.
So mga kaibigan, UP gets the upset against LaSalle. On behalf of everybody here, Coach Direct Al Neri, Michelle Charceau, Hazel Aguilon, my partner, Coach Ryan Gregorio, this is St. Jude Torquato saying thank you for watching Season 66 of the UAAP Games. Peace.